Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel, where we explore various ways to make money and achieve financial freedom. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic: earning passive income by watching ads. You've probably heard claims that you can make money by simply watching advertisements. Want some extra $1,000? But is it a legitimate opportunity or just another online myth? Let's uncover the truth. Starting with the promise of easy money, the idea of earning money by watching ads is undeniably appealing. Who wouldn't want to make some extra cash with minimal effort? Many platforms and apps have marketed themselves as a way to do just that. They promise to pay you for watching ads, and it sounds like a win-win situation. Let's talk about how it supposedly works. So, how does this supposed money-making method work? Typically, you'd sign up for a platform or app that offers this service. They'd provide you with a list of advertisements to watch, and in return, you'd earn a small sum of money for each ad viewed. Sounds simple, right? Now let's have the reality check. However, here's the reality check. While it's technically possible to earn money by watching ads, the amount you'll make is usually far from impressive. These platforms often pay pennies, and it can take a significant amount of time to accumulate even a modest sum. In essence, the income generated is far from passive and certainly not enough to replace a traditional job. Talking about the fine print here is very crucial here. Moreover, it's crucial to read the fine print. Many of these platforms have minimum withdrawal limits, meaning you can't access your earnings until you've reached a certain threshold. Additionally, some have restrictions on where you can use or transfer your earnings, limiting their real-world utility. Is it a legitimate passive income? In the world of passive income, it's essential to distinguish between legitimate opportunities and get-rich-quick schemes. While earning money by watching ads might technically be a way to make some spare change, it's far from a sustainable long-term solution for financial security. Let's sum it up now. In conclusion, while the concept of earning passive income by watching ads might pique your interest, it's vital to approach it with caution. Real financial growth usually requires more effort, dedication, and investment. Instead of chasing after quick fixes, consider focusing on building legitimate sources of passive income that can truly help you achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on managing your finances and exploring genuine money-making opportunities. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, there are no shortcuts to financial success. That wraps up our discussion on the possibility of earning passive income by watching ads. As always, do your research and stay informed when exploring different income opportunities. We'll be back with more valuable content soon. Until then, take care and make wise financial choices.